Hey, what is going on, guys? Ben here, and today I am going to be talking about my 3 favorite pieces of tech. So let's get started. Okay, so the first piece of tech that I want to talk to you guys about is actually right behind me. It is the boosted board. Now, I absolutely love this thing. It gets me all around campus, you know, from class to the dorm, to restaurants, stuff like that, around the city of Pittsburgh. It's actually a great piece of transportation. Now, the boosted board starts at $1,300, but the model I have is the V2 Dual Plus, which comes in at $1,500. Now, this gets you a top speed of 22 miles per hour and a range of 7 miles. Now, that is plenty to speed through the streets of Pittsburgh, get around, and also to get me to and from classes, which is exactly what I use it for. Okay, so as you can see, the boosted board is an absolute blast, and that is why it has made my first spot on my top 3 favorite tech. Now, the second item I wanted to talk to you guys about is the Bose QC25 2s. Now, these are by far my favorite headphones on the market at this moment. These headphones have some of the best sound on the market right now and have the highest quality noise cancellation I've ever seen. They are great for when I'm in my dorm room and roommates or friends are talking, maybe playing PlayStation, and I just want to put on headphones, tune out that noise, listen to my music, and focus on homework. I absolutely love these for that reason, and that's why I think they're the best headphones out right now, and they make the spot for number 2 of my top favorite tech. Now, my third and final favorite piece of tech is the DJI Mavic Pro. Now, I know DJI released their new Mavic Air, but I haven't personally received my unit. Yes, I did order one. So I can't really talk about that, but right now my favorite drone on the market is this DJI Mavic Pro, and let me tell you why. Now, this is one of the smallest drones on the market right now to boast a 4K 3-axis stabilized camera. So what that means is I can take it anywhere, just throw it in a backpack, put the controller in my pocket, and just go, and then capture gorgeous 4K footage like the one you're seeing on screen right now. Absolutely incredible what this thing can do, and that's why it's one of my favorite and most versatile pieces of film gear that I own, and why it is my number 3 favorite piece of tech. So anyway, that is my top 3 favorite tech for you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.